Welcome, traders, to another in-depth exploration of a powerful trading strategy. In this guide, we'll be delving into the RSI VWAP indicator plus extreme reversal setup price action trading strategy. By the end of this comprehensive discussion, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to navigate the markets with confidence and precision. RSI Relative Strength Index. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It oscillates between 0 and 100, providing insights into overbought and oversold conditions. A reading above 70 suggests overbought conditions, while a reading below 30 indicates oversold conditions. What is the volume-weighted average price, VWAP? The VWAP, volume-weighted average price, is a powerful indicator that considers both price and volume. It represents the average price a security is traded at throughout the day, weighted by the volume at each price level. Traders use VWAP to identify the average price at which most trading occurs, offering a valuable reference point. VWAP is calculated by adding up the dollars traded for every transaction, price multiplied by the number of shares traded, and dividing by the total shares traded. That is volume. What is the extreme reversal setup price action? The extreme reversal setup price action involves identifying price action patterns that indicate a potential reversal. These patterns often emerge when an asset becomes overbought or oversold, providing traders with opportunities to capitalize on the imminent change in direction. Search the indicator RSI VWAP indicator by unknown unicorn 2151907. Add the RSI VWAP indicator to your chart. The RSI VWAP is typically available as a standard indicator on most platforms. Search for the second indicator, Extreme Reversal Setup Price Action by Scorpio Menage. Select to add the indicator on your price chart. Before we dive into trading strategies, let's check out these indicator settings on the TradingView platform. Here's how to do it. Place your mouse on the indicator and right-click. Navigate to select the settings option. Tailor the parameters of both indicators to align with your trading style. Experiment with different settings and historical data to find the configuration that suits your strategy. How to use the RSI VWAP indicator overbought and oversold conditions. Use the RSI to identify overbought, RSI above 70, and oversold, RSI below 30 conditions. These extremes indicate a potential reversal in price. Confirm potential reversals by observing the relationship between price and the RSI VWAP. If the price significantly deviates from the RSI VWAP, it may signal an unsustainable trend, increasing the likelihood of a reversal. Integrate candlestick patterns into your analysis to identify reversal signals. Patterns like doji candles, engulfing patterns, or hammer candles can complement RSI VWAP signals. Let's look into how the Extreme Reversal Setup Price Action indicator generates trading signals in the market. The Extreme Reversal Setup Price Action indicator basic setup occurs when an extremely large candle forms that is about twice the size of the average candlestick. While this candle may indicate that a continuation will be seen, the second bar of the pattern does not confirm a continuation and, instead, is an opposing candle that signals an upcoming reversal. When this occurs, you have a fantastic opportunity to buy below value or sell at a premium. The extreme reversal setup looks to capitalize on overextended situations in the market, as responsive buyers and sellers will enter the market to push prices back in the opposite direction. How can we develop a trading strategy with the RSI VWAP indicator plus extreme reversal setup price action indicator? To generate a bullish trading strategy, Step 1. Look for a bearish swing on the price chart. Step 2. Look for oversold conditions on the RSI VWAP below 30. Step 3. Confirm with RSI VWAP indicating a green color crossover above the 30 scale oversold region. Step 4. Wait for a bullish reversal candlestick pattern to be formed on the price chart. Step 5. Look out for the Extreme Reversal Setup Price Action indicator to pop up ERS Bull on the price chart. Finally, consider entering a long position with appropriate risk management. Set stop-loss orders based on key support levels. Use a favorable risk-reward ratio to ensure potential profits outweigh potential losses. Consider trailing stops as the trade moves in your favor. The RSI VWAP indicator can also be used to spot potential divergence systems in the market. For a bullish divergence system, the RSI VWAP will have double bottoms on the price chart. The right bottom will be higher low when compared to the first lower low swing. On the price chart, the point of the intersection of the price to the higher low on the RSI VWAP indicator should be lower low on the price. Whenever this occurs, it signifies a bullish divergence for a long entry. To generate a bearish trading strategy, Step 1. Look for a bullish swing on the price chart. Step 2. Look for overbought conditions on the RSI VWAP above 70. Step 3. Confirm with RSI VWAP indicating a red color crossover below the 70 scale overbought region. Step 4. Wait for a bearish reversal candlestick pattern to be formed on the price chart. Step 5. Look out for the extreme reversal setup price action indicator to pop up ERS bear on the price chart. Finally, consider entering a short position with appropriate risk management. Set stop-loss orders based on key resistance levels. Use a favorable risk-reward ratio to ensure potential profits outweigh potential losses. Consider trailing stops as the trade moves in your favor. For a bearish divergence system, the RSI VWAP will have double tops on the price chart. The right top will be lower high when compared to the first higher high swing. On the price chart, the point of the intersection of the price to the lower high on the RSI VWAP indicator should be higher high on the price. Whenever this occurs, it signifies a bearish divergence for a short entry. And that concludes our in-depth exploration of mastering the RSI VWAP indicator plus extreme reversal setup price action trading strategy. Remember, trading is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. Always bear in mind that trading is an ongoing voyage of learning and adjustment. Hone your skills, make improvements, and above all, approach each trade with discipline. Until our next encounter, may your trades be prosperous. Happy trading!